Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the data annotation for the validation. Just open the project. As you can see, we already created the product DTO with the product name is the required field and the price is the required field. Then the description is not required. So let's check it out how it's work. Just click and run the project. Then copy the URL. Then here then just click on the send button so we can go and just add the blank JSON and click on the send button. So as you can see here, it giving the message product name is required, price is required, and the description is required. But as you can see here, we don't have added any message for the description, and I also want description is not required. So what should I have to do? So first of all, we have to stop the debugging and make add a question mark and make it a null. Now hit again. No, so whenever you require the feed is not required, then you have to add the question mark is the best solution. Now click on the send button. So as you can see, the description will be removed, but still showing the name is required and the price. This message is coming from here. So now we can add name and we can say laptop. Then we can check again. So if you can edit this, you can see the name will be removed from the required field. Then we can add price. We can say 55,000. Now click on the send. So as you can see, the laptop is added with the description is null. So description is optional whether you can add or you can not add. But this all are the required field. What happen if we require the unique field validation like the product code or product SKU is unique? So in the next video, I am going to show you how to add the unique constraint in the product and how to handle the unique validation. So thank you for watching this video.